distinguished representative of India.
Mr. President, I am taking the floor to explain our position on the adoption of the oral decision rolling over the Intergovernmental Negotiations on Security Council reform to the 77th UNGA session. India aligns fully with statements that have been delivered by St. Vincent and the Grenadines on behalf of the L69 and by Japan to be delivered on behalf of the G4. In addition, I would like to make the following 3 points in my national capacity. First, Mr. President, we would like to place on record our appreciation for the proactive and consultative approach demonstrated by the co-chairs, which has resulted in some improvements in the elements paper compared to last year, including a greater number of convergences and some additional attributions. Throughout this process, we have participated constructively and have shared our suggestions for improvement in the elements paper, even though this approach was not followed by some groups and some delegations. This process culminated in the co-chairs clearly recommending that our work in the next session be continued based on the latest iteration of the elements paper that we've all had the chance to contribute to. Second, Mr. President, we have been consistent in our position that the rollover decision of the intergovernmental negotiations simply cannot be reduced to a mindless technical exercise. As the only formal GA outcome that emerges from this process each year, it must also evolve and reflect the progress achieved during our deliberations. We were therefore encouraged with your efforts to introduce in the decision a small reflection of this evolution based on your wide-ranging consultations and the recommendation of the co-chairs with regard to webcasting and the beginning of a digital repository. I must say, though, that even with these so-called changes, there has been no breakthrough whatsoever that may be described as progress. This state of affairs is clearly in the interest of those who seek a status quo, to keep this process frozen in repetitive cycles. Thirdly and finally, Mr. President, we see this technical rollover decision as yet another wasted opportunity to instill a breath of life into a process that has shown no signs of life or growth in over 4 decades. We join consensus in adoption of the draft presented, simply to acknowledge your personal efforts. Further, it is now apparent to us that in its current form and modalities, that is, without application of the GA rules of procedure and without a single negotiating text, the IGN could well go on for yet another 75 years without any progress whatsoever in the direction of genuine reform. This notwithstanding, and as a responsible and constructive member of the United Nations, India will of course continue to engage in this process alongside our reform-minded partners and persist with our efforts to move from repetitive speeches to text-based negotiations. However, for those of us who truly wish to fulfill our leaders' commitments towards an early and comprehensive reform of the United Nations Security Council, looking beyond the IGN looks increasingly to us as the only viable pathway to a future UN Security Council that would better reflect the world of today. Thank you.
I thank the distinguished representative of India.